Hi all, I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm doing a beach theme pour. So for this piece, I've already taped the under the board, and I've put some tape along the side of the board as well. This is just so that I retain all the resin that I'm putting on top, and everything doesn't just flow down the side before I'm ready for it. So for today's colors, I'm using the Persian blue for the deep ocean part, the turquoise blue for the shallower end, and the warm gray with a touch of white in it for the sand part of the piece. Seriously, I must admit I was relieved. So once you have laid down the colors, just lightly blend the colors where they meet so that you have a smoother transition between the layers of colors. Using the heat gun, I'm now heating up the resin and at the same time gently blending the colors a little bit more together. So feel free to adjust the layers of colors as you see fit, just so you get the look that you're after. So remember not to overdo it with your white because a little bit goes a long way. It's easier to add more white if you feel it's not enough than to take away the white if it just overpowers the piece. Now with a heat gun, I am heating up the resin. This just simply helps the resin to move around when I'm blowing it in the directions to create the waves. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now. Now that the waves are done, I am removing the tape that I had along the side of the board so that the resin can flow down the sides as well. If there are any areas that's missing resin, you can simply use your popsicle stick and cover it with some resin. With a blowtorch, I'm going over the resin. This basically helps to remove any bubbles that there may be in the piece and also helps the cells to develop. So at this point the resin is still fluid, and because I don't want it to keep moving onto the board, I simply prop it up with a little bit of wood cutout underneath the board. The next day I have applied a clear coat of resin onto the piece. This helps to give the waves a bit more depth to it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't be shy. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment so that more people get to see this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time and see you next time.